If you want your ElevenLabs voiceover to sound happy, upbeat, and more emotionally expressive, there's a very simple trick you can use with the 11v3 model. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make the voiceover happy in ElevenLabs using bracketed emotional tags so you can get a more natural and lively result without guessing and retyping your script over and over. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick AI and voiceover guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open ElevenLabs and make sure you're using the 11v3 model because this feature works with that version. Once you're inside the text box where you normally paste your script, look for the sentence you want to make sound more cheerful. Right before that sentence, type an emotional tag inside brackets. For example, you can use "or." These tags tell the model to shift the tone of the delivery and make that part of the voice sound brighter and more positive. The key is to place the tag before the sentence you want affected, not in the middle of the line. So if you want just one line to sound upbeat, you could write something like, "We're so glad you're here today," or "Let's get started right now." This is really useful when you want different parts of the narration to have different moods. For example, you might use a neutral tone for most of the script, then switch to when you introduce good news, or when you want to highlight something important. After adding your emotional tag, generate the voiceover and listen back to the result. If it sounds too subtle, you can try a stronger tag or place it closer to the specific sentence you want emphasized. If it sounds too energetic, you can tone it down by changing the tag to something softer, like, "This gives you much more control over the final delivery and helps you shape the voice so it matches your content better." Another helpful tip is to keep your script clean and intentional. Only add the emotional tag where you actually want the tone to change, because overusing tags can make the narration feel inconsistent. Use them strategically for intros, calls to action, announcements, or any part where you want the voice to feel warm and engaging. And that's it. With just a simple bracketed tag, you can make your ElevenLabs voiceover sound happy and more expressive using the 11v3 model. It's a quick adjustment, but it can make a huge difference in how professional and human your voiceovers feel. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.